Congratulations on purchasing your new Arlo Essential Video Doorbell wire-free. With both wire-free flexibility and optional hardwiring for continuous charging, Arlo has you covered. Before you start, here are some tips. Fully charge your battery for either a wire-free or wired install. Tools you may need: a Phillips head screwdriver, a drill and 6mm drill bit if you need to drill new holes for the doorbell, electrical tape. Now, let's get ready to install. Step 1. Setup. You'll need to download the Arlo app to your phone or tablet. Create an Arlo account if you are a new user, or log into your existing Arlo account if you already have one. Ensure you're connected to a 2.4 GHz network and sign into the app. Select Add New Device, Doorbell and Chimes, Essential Video Doorbell Wire-Free, and follow the prompts. You will need to enter your Wi-Fi credentials. Use the included release pin to remove the mounting plate from the doorbell, and then insert the fully charged battery. Keep the mounting plate and doorbell separated until prompted. Make sure to keep the release pin in a safe place for use later. Press the doorbell button to sync. The white LEDs will begin flashing. Hold the QR code from your app about 4 to 6 inches in front of the doorbell and listen for the success tone. Name your doorbell and follow the prompts. Your firmware will be updated and it might take a few minutes. Next, the app will prompt you to select between two powering options, by battery or wired. Wire-free installation. If you have selected the battery-powered option, your next steps are to find a mounting location and select either the flat or optional angled mounting plate to optimize your viewing angle. Once you have selected your mounting plate, install it approximately 48 inches above the ground. It is important to position the terminals at the top and to reserve a 2-inch clearance above the mounting plate so you are able to access the release hole later when you want to recharge your battery. Secure the mounting plate with the screws provided. Finally, using a down and in motion, mount your doorbell to the mounting plate. You will hear a click. Press Finish in the app and you're ready. When you need to recharge your battery, remove the Arlo doorbell from the wall plate and bring your doorbell inside to charge. You can charge your battery by inserting the provided charging cable like this. Do not leave your Arlo doorbell outside without the battery inserted, as it may affect weather resistance performance. Wired installation. Tips for before you start your wired installation. Ensure your existing doorbell system has 8 to 24 volt AC. Then, turn off the power to your doorbell at the breaker. If you need help, contact a local electrician or professional to assist you. Remove your existing doorbell and be careful that the wires don't fall back into the wall. It's a good idea to tape them to the wall to help them stay in place. Next, select a mounting plate that will optimize your viewing angle. Depending on your mounting location, you may want to use the angled mounting plate. Once you have selected your mounting plate, install it approximately 48 inches above the ground. It is important to position the terminals at the top and to reserve a 2-inch clearance above the mounting plate, so you're able to access the release hole later. Connect your existing wires to the terminal on the mounting plate. Either wire can connect to either terminal. Now, mount your Arlo doorbell to the mounting plate with a down and in motion. You will hear a click. Then, turn the power back on at the breaker to restore power to your doorbell. Last, the app will prompt you to test your existing wired chime. Press Finish in the app and your video doorbell is ready. Step 3. Arlo Smart Setup. After the doorbell is installed, select Continue. The app will prompt you to set up Arlo Smart. The Arlo Essential Video Doorbell Wire-Free includes a 3-month trial of Arlo Smart, a subscription-based service you can add to your Arlo devices to deliver personalized notifications of events that matter. It even allows you to take quick action like phone a friend or sound an alarm from your notification panel. Receive personalized alerts that tell you a package, person, vehicle, or even animal is in view. Easily create custom activity zones to pick up motion only in important areas like your front door or driveway. Plus, Arlo Smart stores your recorded clips for up to 30 days, so you can look back at past events and share clips with the authorities, neighbors, or family. Congratulations! Your Arlo Essential Video Doorbell Wire-Free is now active. Press Finish and you're ready to enjoy the complete picture and total protection with Arlo Essential Video Doorbell Wire-Free.